How to get your notifications to show in reverse chronological order. Hi, I'm Del Edwards, and today I'm going to share a quick tip with you. Now, this frustrated me to no end. I don't understand the default groupings for notifications now on my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra 5G. It drives me crazy. I just want to be able to pull down the menu after I get a ding and see what happened. It should be at the top. That's what I thought, but that's not the default. So what you do is you go to the Galaxy Store, you look for Good Lock, download it. After it is installed, you open it. Look for a module called Quick Star. Download that, install it, go back to your home screen. Good Lock may or may not be on there. Look for the icon. Go back to Good Lock, click More on Quick Star. I like to add the icon to my home screen. After the icon is added, simply click on Quick Star, turn it on, and then show notifications by last update. Now, when I pull down my drop-down menu, every notification is shown in reverse chronological order. I hope you found this to be helpful. Go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. Until next time.